In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Sheets. If you want to make lists inside your spreadsheet look cleaner and easier to read, adding bullet points is a simple way to do that. This can be especially useful for task lists, short notes, summaries, or any kind of text-based content you want to organize visually inside a cell. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick method you can use directly in Google Sheets. To begin, the first thing you can do is create a bullet symbol from your keyboard. Press and hold the Alt key. Then type 7 on your numeric keypad. This will generate a bullet point symbol. If that shortcut doesn't work on your device, you can simply copy an existing bullet symbol and use that instead. In this case, the symbol you need is the standard .style bullet. Once you have the bullet symbol ready, go to your Google Sheets file and select the cells you want to format. Make sure you highlight the cells where you want each entry to appear with a bullet in front of it. This method is helpful because it can apply the same look across multiple cells at once, which saves time and keeps everything consistent. After selecting the cells, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, choose Number, and then click Custom Number Format. This option lets you control how the contents of the selected cells are displayed without needing to manually type a bullet point into every single cell. Inside the custom formatting box, enter the format exactly as needed. Semicolon, 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 bullet space at symbol. This format tells Google Sheets to display a bullet point before the text in each selected cell. After entering it, click Apply. At this point, your selected cells should now show bullet points automatically before the text they contain. This is a neat formatting trick because it improves the appearance of your sheet while keeping the original text easy to edit. If needed, you can always return to the custom number format settings later and adjust or remove the format. That's all it takes to add bullet points in Google Sheets. It's quick, practical, and a great way to make your spreadsheet content more polished and readable. Thanks for watching.